Hi guys, in this video I am uploading a file and let's see what kind of portfolio website it creates.
While that is happening, let me tell you about my own website.
I created this specifically for creators and users, where if someone is an expert in something and writes good prompts, they can share them here, bringing all the best prompts onto a single platform, which will also save people time. Go to the description and sign up on the Prompt Vault website. Now take a look at the portfolio website and let me know what the next video should be about.